Hello and welcome to Quick Tips 2. Today I'm going to show you how to recover lost or deleted files back from your memory stick. This can be useful if you've accidentally deleted an important file or folder on your USB memory stick and you want to recover it. First, I will delete a file from my USB stick. So I will open my USB stick. Then I will delete the video named Recording. Now I will use the software Wondershare Recoverit to recover my video. The link to download this software is in the description below this video. So now I will select my USB drive E and start the recovery. The software will start scanning the sectors on my USB drive E and will start to recover the files and folders on this drive. This process can take a few minutes depending on the size of your memory stick. In the meantime, let me tell you about this software. You can use it for Windows or Mac operating systems to recover deleted files on hard disk drives, memory sticks, or SD cards. It also offers additional services such as recovering deleted files from crashed systems and repairing corrupted videos. The software also enables users to recover up to 100 megabytes of files for free. Now, let's see if my files have been recovered. As you can see, the software is already displaying my video that I've deleted, so I can now stop the scanning process. Now I will select the video I want to get back, then click Recover. The file I want to recover is less than 100 megabytes, so I don't need to buy a license. Select the location into which you want to recover the files. It is highly recommended to recover the files to a new location and not to use the original one. So I will recover my video to my C drive. Now let's open the folder to check. As you can see, I've recovered my video successfully, and my video is not corrupted. Now, if you are looking to recover files for more than 100 megabytes, you will need to buy a subscription, but as a start, you can use the free version to start scanning your drives in order to identify the files you can recover. Once you identify your files, you can then decide on the subscription level you need. There are 3 levels: Essential, Standard, and Advanced. Essential is mainly for recovering files that are more than 100 megabytes for 1 year for one PC. Standard will give you all the features in the Essential package, as well as crash recovery for one PC, and Advanced will give you all of the above plus data repair for 2 PCs. This is an excellent software that offers a simple way to recover lost or deleted files. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the latest tips and tricks for the latest technologies. With Quick Tips 2, knowledge has no limits.